Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you how I do my at-home gel manicure. So I'm going to jump right into it. What I first do is, you can see, first of all, my nails are super short and they're not bitten. I don't bite my nails, but they are cut that short because I usually wear press-on. So I don't even bother with my natural nails. If I'm going somewhere like a special occasion or something, I just put on press-on. So I cut them super short because I do a lot of like stiletto and coffin type of press-ons, and they have to be super short so that that shape can shine through. So what I'm first starting off with is a Cuticle Pusher, and I'll have everything linked below that I use. It's just one whole set from Amazon. It came with every single thing that you need. So this actually came with it. So this is a Cuticle Pusher. So I'm pushing down gently to my nail bed, and then I'm kind of like scraping. Everything is gently. I'm not doing anything rough. So I'm gently scraping whatever came down after I pushed my cuticles down. And I'm doing it to each hand. And I haven't had a good manicure and I can't even remember. So I have so much like cuticles and whatever, dead skin or whatever. So that's what that is right there. Super gross, I know, but hey, it is what it is. And I don't know what made me want to decide to just do gel manicures at home, because I'm definitely not going to the nail salon. And even if I did, I would just get a pedicure. I never really get my nails done, but I used to get gel manicures a couple years ago, and I don't know, I kind of missed it, just having something on my nails every day, because I don't wear press-ons every day. So yeah, I just wanted to try something different. And right here, I am cutting just the extra cuticle. I'm not doing it to every single nail, just the nails that really need it, because you can definitely cut yourself with this. So you have to be super, super careful. So I don't try to go in all crazy. I'm not a professional by any means. So right here, I am filing to the shape that I want. Like I said, my nails are super short, so I can't get the perfect square that I really would like. So I'm just kind of like shaping off just so that I can have some type of shape. And I'm starting with the sides of my nail bed and kind of getting those straight. And then I'll go ahead and file the tops of the nails. Right here, I am buffing away all of the cuticles, all of the nails. This step helps to get the shine off of your natural nails so that you can prep your nails for the gel polish. And it also kind of buffs away any of the extra cuticles that was left. So I am showing you what I'm using to clean off my nail. That was acetone, and this is alcohol. So I mixed the two, and they're going to clean off my nail as well as dehydrate my nail so that the gel polish can adhere. So like I'm showing you, I mixed just a little bit of the acetone with the alcohol. And then I'm going to clean off my nails. You want to make sure your nails are super dry before you put on the base coat. So with the alcohol and the acetone, it'll dry out your nail. So right here, I have nail form. Since my nails are super, super short, I want to kind of elongate them just a little bit, nothing crazy. I'm not doing like a gel extension or anything, but I just want to have something at the tips of my nails so that my tops of my nails don't get kind of like crazy with nail polish or whatever. And I'll show you here how I'm going to kind of extend and cap off the polish. So that is the base coat. It was a little blurry. And like I said, everything came with a set. So all the polish, all the lights, everything you need came in the set, and it's linked below. And I am just starting with the base coat. You want to do like a thin layer of base coat. Make sure you do not get it like around your nails. You kind of want to clean polish, because if you cure, when you go under the light, it's called cure. When you cure your nails and you have polish like on your skin, it's going to stick to your skin. So kind of make sure that you're just getting it on your nail. And here is what I'm showing you, how I'm elongating my nail. So I'm going over my top of my nail onto that nail form, just to kind of get a a more kind of polished look, so it won't look so kind of nubby and short. I mean, it still want to look short. Like I said, I'm not doing a gel extension, but you'll see once I polish it how it comes out. So you're gonna put your hand under for 30 seconds. And I kind of alternated between doing one nail at a time, just because this literally was my first time doing this, and I just wanted to make sure that I got everything done right. And then I kind of got the hang of it, and I started doing just one hand at a time. So I am going back in with the, I think that's my index finger. And as you saw, I was putting it over my top of my nail. I'm cleaning up the sides. Like I said, you don't want to have any excess polish on your skin. And I've already started to polish. So after you do your base coat, you can start with whatever color you chose, and I chose black. So I'm going to show you how I polish. It's really straightforward. It's just like the technique that you have to follow, curing and polishing, and just making sure that you don't get any on your skin. So I am not a professional again, but I have polished my nails a lot throughout my life. So I'm kind of good at polishing. And there's still a little on the skin, but I'm going to clean it up. So even when you do your color, you still want to go over your nail tip, like how I'm doing now. You can see it better with the color. So it's going to cap off the top of my nail. It's not going to look incomplete, or like you know how your nail can look like your nail under the color. I hope that makes sense. Like, you don't want it to look like it's chipping already, basically. So that's what that is. And then I'm using a brush with acetone to clean up whatever remaining polish I have. And this is a great trick. You can use like a wooden stick too, like a toothpick or something, to kind of get that polish off, but you want to make sure you get the polish off before you go under the light and cure. So I am going to show you how I do the bling nail. I decided to do like a little design. So what you don't want to do is what I just did. You don't want to put the glue directly on your nail. You actually want to put it on to something beforehand and then like dot it on your nail, and I'll show that in a second. So right here I'm trying to put the jewel on, and it is sliding off. So I'm using like a tweezer to stick it to where I want it to go. So you want to start with like different size jewels and just like place them randomly all over the nail. Basically, it's super easy, super simple, and I am using nail glue. You can use the top coat. It's really up to you, but I think the nail glue kind of lasts longer, so that's why I'm using nail glue. So as you saw, I put the glue on top of that little white spot where there's like a free edge or whatever. So I just stuck the glue right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tap each glue. I'm gonna tap the glue on the nail, and then I'm going to put the jewel on after that. So this is what my nails looked like before I put the top coat on and before I decided to add more jewels. So like I said, this was my first time, so I didn't really know which direction I wanted to go in. I didn't know if I wanted to do the jewels after or before. So I did some before and then I kind of finished it after I did the top coat. So right here, I am just putting on the top coat. And I'm going to cure for maybe, I think I did it for like 60 minutes instead of 30, just to make sure that everything was dried. So right here, I am going to clean up the polish around my nail, the top coat. Like I said, you don't want to have any extra polish on your skin because once you cure, it's going to stay there. So you kind of want to clean up as you go. After you are done curing the top coat, this kit actually came with like alcohol wipes. So you want to wipe off your nail after you cure it. And the wipes kind of allow the nail forms to come off. So you'll see what the nails look like when the nail form comes off. It's like extra polish and stuff, and that's what you want. So after I take all of the forms off, I'm just going to kind of file down that extra polish. And you'll see what I mean by capping off my nails so that it doesn't look too like undone, and you can't just see like my natural nail at the top. It just kind of looks like it's all polished. So that's what I mean by filing it down. So I'm just filing it into the shape that I want, and that is about it. And then you kind of want to put some cuticle oil on, and then you have a gel manicure at home. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know this was super different, but I really enjoyed doing it, and I'm kind of looking forward to like continuing doing it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.